congratulate NCW and She Wings for this amazing opportunity. So we start with the lamp lighting ceremony.
उन 5 दिनों में मुझ पे सवाल उठाए जाते हैं। 25 दिन मेरे हाथों से खा के उन 5 दिनों में मुझ पे सवाल उठाए जाते हैं। मकान को घर बनाया मैंने जिसमें भगवान बिठाए जाते हैं। मकान को घर बनाया मैंने जिसमें भगवान बिठाए जाते हैं, मगर उन 5 दिनों में मुझ पे सवाल उठाए जाते हैं। कसूर सिर्फ इतना है कि जन्म देती हूँ मैं। कसूर सिर्फ इतना है कि जन्म देती हूँ मैं, मगर फिर भी अगर आई एम ऑन माई पीरियड्स तो दिवाली हो या होली सब मेरे बगैर मनाए जाते हैं। उन 5 दिनों में मुझ पे सवाल उठाए जाते हैं। मैं तड़पती रहूं, चिड़चिड़ाती रहूं, उसके बाद भी क्यों मेरा हालचाल पूछने में घर वाले ऑकवर्ड हो जाते हैं। उन 5 दिनों में मुझ पे सवाल उठाए जाते हैं।
Work which National Commission for Women is doing in leadership of Chairperson Madam Rekha Sharma ji. I mean, I've never ever seen it in my entire career. Such a great work is being done by National Commission for Women. All the areas are being covered, and I truly appreciate and thankful to Madam also and Mrs. Negi also to take care of menstrual hygiene management.
About women health, lots of women are not even aware that hemoglobin is very important. So we are like who are sitting here, all of you are empowered and privileged, but we are supposed to serve those who are not empowered and not privileged. Topic is actually very, very important because female health is depending on your menstrual hygiene.
The issue has to be brought out of the closet. It should be openly discussed. It should be there should be no taboos or social stigmas which are attached to these things even today. It is after all a largely patriarchal society, and we need to have these open discussions, involve family members, involve elders in the family.
बिकॉज ऑफिसर तो ऑफिसर होता है, उसको जेंट्स या लेडी होने का कोई डिस्टिंक्शन नहीं होना चाहिए, बट स्टिल वी आर डिस्टिंग्विश्ड फ्रॉम आवर मेल काउंटरपार्ट्स बाय गिविंग अस दैट नेम, एंड our grooming session or our say as professionals, the seniors would tell us कि be very, very careful when you are in your menstruation days, because खाकी रंग है, जरा सा भी stain हुआ तो वो दिखेगा, and because you have to tuck in your shirt is actually not outside your pant, so when you tuck in your shirt the stain definitely is more visible. So those kinds of things we were known and we understood. जो पुलिस की यूनिफॉर्म अभी है वो एक मेल बॉडी के लिए बनी है.
I think it's a wonderful initiative by She Wings in collaboration with National Commission of Women, and we've seen the socio-economic barriers, the backwardness of women, and also the taboo and stigma and all these superstitions by virtue of so many factors in history. But at the same time, for the past 4-5 years, what I've witnessed is there has been a progression, and so many people, including our own Madan ji and She Wings, they have been working incessantly to cast away such prejudices, not just the social aspect of it, but also the educative side, the awareness side.
I'd like to say that it is not only the children, even the adults, they are not aware of all the options they have. So it is very important that everyone should know all the options, and secondly everyone should come out with the problems.
White discharge is absolutely normal in a female's life. This causes the lubrication in the vagina. Generally premenstrual around ovulation is the ideal time period where we have the mucoid discharge, that is the slightly watery discharge.
मेरी प्रैक्टिस में मैं यूजली ये करती हूँ कि अगर उनकी कोई यंग डॉटर है तो आई यूजली टेल द मदर, और अगर बच्ची आई होती है साथ में तो आई ट्राई टू टॉक टू दैट गर्ल ऑल्सो कि पीरियड इज अ वेरी नॉर्मल फिनोमिना. So we have to understand and we have to make the child understand
कि बेटा अगर स्कूल जाओगी और ऐसा कुछ होता है आपके साथ तो घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. योर फर्स्ट मोड ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट इज योर टीचर. यू हैव टू गो टू योर टीचर.
और जैसे अभी आपने कहा कि जब पहली बार पीरियड आया तो एक होता है कि हमने ये बात क्यों नहीं होती घर पे, ये कभी क्यों नहीं हुआ, तो क्योंकि ये सब हमारा माइंडसेट है. इट्स समथिंग सो नेचुरल.